Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a button in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so if you want to create a button that you can click on and in that case something happens, here's how to do that. So all you have to do is click on Insert. So go to the sheets you want to add the button to, of course. So we have this project management sheet, and then click on the Insert in the menu bar, and you have to select Drawing from this list. You can either add a shape that will look like a button, like this one, and then add text to it, or the other option you have is to select the text box option, and then you can add the text here. You can reshape the text box, add fill color, border weight, change the font, and so on and so forth. You can also format the text in the button. Once you formatted your button, just click on Save and Close. And now, as you can see, the button has been added to our spreadsheet. So we have successfully created the button. If you want to connect a script to this button, so you can click on this button and something will happen in your spreadsheet. What you have to do is select the button, then click on these three dots, and you're gonna see Assign Script. So if you click on that, you're going to be able to assign a script you have written previously in AppScript module of Google Sheets. So add the name of that script and then click on OK, and that script will be applied. This is just an example, so I'm not going to show you. So that's about it. Once you have assigned the script, you're going to be able to click on this button and it will execute that script. So all this is how to create a button or make a button in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.